1. Eiffel Tower, the giant metal lady of Paris. Let's get the obvious one out of the way. If you don't visit the Eiffel Tower, did you even go to Paris? It's like visiting New York and skipping the Statue of Liberty, but with more crepes nearby. Whether you're taking a selfie from the Trocadero Gardens or snapping a pic from underneath, this is the place to feel like a proper tourist. Skip the long lines and take the stairs instead of the elevator. It's only 674 steps to the second floor, piece of cake. Right. Spoiler, it's not easy. Bring water and comfortable shoes, or prepare to rethink every life choice halfway up. 2. Louvre Museum, home of that smiling lady. Ah, the Louvre. Home to the Mona Lisa, a painting so small that it'll make you wonder why people elbow each other to get a glimpse. But don't let that stop you. The Louvre is massive and filled with enough art to make you feel just cultured enough to justify all the pastries you're going to eat later. Go early, or better yet, go late. The Louvre offers night openings a few times a week, which means fewer tourists and more time to pretend you understand Renaissance art. 3. Notre Dame Cathedral, the one that's, mostly, still standing. Notre Dame is an iconic masterpiece of Gothic architecture. While it's under restoration after the infamous 2019 fire, you can still admire it from the outside and imagine Quasimodo swinging around the bell tower while yelling, "Sanctuary!" Cross the Seine for a view from afar. The Square René Viviani offers a killer view with fewer people, plus a park bench where you can sit and wonder why the bells aren't ringing. 4. Montmartre, the artsy village on a hill. If you want to feel like you've stepped into a Parisian postcard, or a scene from Amélie, Montmartre is your jam. This charming neighborhood is all cobblestone streets, quaint cafes, and artists trying to sell you questionable portraits. Climb the hill to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica for stunning views of the city and some serious thigh burn. Avoid the guys trying to tie friendship bracelets onto your wrist at the base of the hill. They're not your friends, and they definitely don't work for free. 5. Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe. Pretend you're fancy if you've ever wanted to window shop at stores that won't let you in because you're still wearing sneakers. The Champs-Élysées is the place for you. It's Paris's most famous shopping street, ending at the Arc de Triomphe, because nothing says I just dropped €400 on a scarf like standing under a giant arch built to celebrate military victory.